Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. If that problem has been occurring, then that could be 2-3 things that you can try. The first thing has to be the App Store. Go to your App Store or Play Store, go to search bar and type in Roblox to see if your app is updated or not. That can be done by the app itself as well, because if you haven't updated, then that is their way of telling you to update your app so it can have the new features, it can function properly without any errors and etc. Go ahead, update if it asks for update, and then you are good to go. If that also doesn't help, then you're going to go to your settings, you're going to go to search bar, type in iPhone storage, and then from over here you're gonna be making sure that you do have enough space right over there. And then from over here you're gonna be going to the option of show all and tapping on the app of yours, which is simply the Roblox, and then tap on offload app and tap on offload app right over here, and then you simply have to offload your app properly. Once you're done offloading, tap on reinstall app and it will start being reinstalled, and that is how you will be able to solve it out as well. If that doesn't help as well, all you gotta do is simply go back and simply remove your app totally from over here, right? Simply go ahead and remove the app and then reinstall it, re-download it on your phone and add any information and use it however you would prefer. That's how you will be able to do so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.